Assalamualaikum. Today I would like to do a tutorial about how to solve this question. So first, this question is about transformers. So this is open circuit and short circuit. Uh, I will skip to the first question. So the first question is about the turn ratio of the transformers. So the formula for this kind of question is this. So A ratio equal to N1 over N2. So the N1 and N2 were given in the question. So N1 and N2 you can get by this N1, this N2. So just 2300 divide by 230, you can get 10. So this for question 1. For question 2, the equivalent resistance RE dengan inductance SE1. So first we need to find the ZE1. The ZE1 is the can simplify then you need to use this formula. So the E1 equal to VSC over ISC. There is a voltage for short circuit and current for short circuit. So voltage for short circuit you can get in the question, voltage 47 and current 6.5. so the divide, then you get 7.23. Net RE1 equal to PSC divide by ISC square. So ISC also given in this question and PSC also given. So you can divide, then you can get this answer. So next you just use a formula, theorem Pythagoras. So like you can imagine like this. So basically the theorem Pythagoras, so this is Z, this is R, this is X. So you can use theorem Pythagoras, then just change to get X equal to ZE1 2 minus RE1 square, then square root. So after that you just key in the answer you already calculate above, then you get this answer. So for the next question is you need to find the secondary current I2 and secondary voltage V2 prime. So next, first you need to know the theta. So theta basically the formula given, cos theta equal to PF. Then you can simplify the formula into this. Then the PF that already given in the question is 0.8 and lagging. So basically you will get 36.87 degree. So because it's lagging, it will be negative. So after that you can use a dependent power. Dependent power is S equal to VI conjugate. Then you need to find I2. Just simplify from this formula, and you will get I2 equal to S conjugate over V. After that just key in the data and you will get the answer. Then so after that after we find the answer for I2, so we need to answer for I2 prime. I2 prime, simple formula. So I2 prime equal to I2 over A. So A you already calculate in the first question. So this, and then you just put there, and this you can get from this, and you just divide, and you will get this answer. Second, V2 prime. V2 prime, you A times V2. So V2 you're already given in this question. D is 230. A you are defined in first question 10. So we'll get 2,300. So next. So next, the last question is find the voltage regulation of the transformers. So for this you just need to use the formula, the simple formula. So first thing, you need to find the V1 because of the voltage regulation formula needs to use V1. So this V1 is equal to RE1 plus SE1 bracket times I2 prime I2 prime plus V2 prime. So this you already calculate all this. So you just key in and you will get this answer. After that, you just find the percentage of voltage regulation. So just key in and times 100, and you will get this answer. So simple. Thank you. Bye.